저는 켄터키주 루이빌 도시에 위치한 버번 트레일에 왔습니다. 바로 여기에서 전 세계 95%의 버번이 만들어진다고 합니다. 그리고 미국의 풍부한 야구 역사에 대해 더 배우려고 합니다. 루이빌 슬러거 박물관에서 야구 방망이가 어떻게 만들어지는지 보고 레드탑에서 맛있는 핫도그를 맛보겠습니다. 그렇게 배를 채우고 나서 레전드 스포츠 아카데미에서 직접 방망이를 휘둘러보고 에번 윌리엄즈 익스피리언스에서 미국을 대표하는 술 버번에 대해 더 배워보겠습니다. 야구와 버번보다 더 좋은 게 있을까요? 가보겠습니다. 아름다운 미국. 미국은 끝없이 다양한 이야기들을 찾을 수 있는 거대한 나라입니다. 저는 한국에서 태어나 자란 후 미국으로 이민 와 양언어 전문 성우로 활동하는 한국계 미국인 이윤지훈입니다. 저와 함께 미국 전 지역을 여행하면서 멋진 관광지를 찾아보고 그 지역 사람들의 흥미로운 이야기를 알아보겠습니다. 준비되셨나요? 그럼 출발합니다. 그 어떤 미국인이든 루이빌에 대해서 이야기하면 가장 먼저 야구를 떠올릴 겁니다. 하지만 그게 루이빌의 프로 야구팀이 있기 때문이 아니라 그곳이 가장 유명한 야구 방망이의 생산지이기 때문이죠. 켄터키주 루이빌에 위치한 루이빌 슬러거는 1884년부터 야구 배트를 만들기 시작했답니다. 오늘 저는 루이빌 슬러거 박물관에 돌아보면서 다양한 야구 배트에 대해 알아보겠습니다. 자, 가보실까요? Nice to meet you, sir. I'm June.
June, nice to meet you. I'm Andrew. Welcome to the Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory. We're so thrilled to have you.
Thank you.
See, right when you walk in, the first thing you see is our signature board. So this has more than 9,000 names of all of the players that have signed a contract with Louisville Slugger. And the great thing is, anybody can come up with a piece of paper and a pencil and just get a rubbing of their player's favorite signature. So it's really a cool way to start off the experience.
That's a fantastic way to start.
Louisville Slugger began in 1894 by Bud Hillerick. His family, they first started as woodworkers, and when he was 14, he ran off one day to see the Louisville Eclipse play. He saw a player, Pete Browning, break his bat, and he ran up to Pete. He said, "Pete, I will make you a new bat." So he went back to the wood shop and he carved a bat for Pete, and the next day, Pete did really well with it, and he said, "I want more of these bats." And as it turns out, Pete Browning's nickname was the Louisville Slugger. And since then, we've been making wood bats.
It really is a running and working factory, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
That's amazing. 저는 PJ의 안내에 따라 오늘날 이 상징적인 방망이가 어떻게 만들어지는지 살펴보았습니다. Already kind of looks like a bat.
A little heavy. That's about a 5-pound piece of wood. We're going to turn it into about a 2-pound baseball bat.
Sounds exciting.
We have our own forest and mills between Pennsylvania and New York. So because of this, we know that it's a consistent product day in, day out for these ball players.
We'll drop that billet in. In the old days, we used to turn bats by hand. It would take us 30 minutes to turn a bat by hand. This machine can make it 48 seconds, and it's accurate to less than 3/1000ths of an inch.
이거 가지고 홈런 하나 칠 수 있겠죠? 공장이 참 빠르게 열심히 돌아가고 있습니다. 자세히 보시면 생산 과정이 얼마나 체계적인지 알 수 있어요. 그럴 수밖에 없는 게 매년 수백만 개의 야구 방망이를 만들어야 하기 때문이죠. 그중 일부는 프로 선수들이 사용하게 됩니다. 물론 야구를 새로 배우는 사람들도 쓰게 되겠죠. 모든 사람들에게 더욱더 큰 즐거움을 선사해주는 것은 물론 경기력을 한층 더 높여줄 것입니다.
These are real handmade products at the end of the day. Where we have our factory workers just really invested in making sure that we have that quality product that we're known for.
Wow.
It's just such a piece of American culture that I think at the end of the day so many people can relate to, and I think that's what I love about it. It's just rooted so much in just history and just a personal connection to it.
Where are we?
Welcome to the Bat Vault. This is what we consider the Fort Knox of baseball bats. So what's in front of us right here are all of the stencils that were used when we used to hand turn the bats, when we used to shape them. So you see bats just spanning history in here. It's really wonderful. And some of these are very old and very historically important. Well, this is why we're wearing gloves, of course. And one of my favorite ones right here, this is one people love, the R43. So this is the original bat model design that we used for, you may have heard of him, Babe Ruth. This was the original bat model that Babe said, this is what I want my bat to be when he was playing.
My gosh. Wow.
It's an absolutely fascinating room, and I'm so glad that I get to share it with you. Louisville Slugger as a name and these baseball icons that kids grow up with, we want them to have that experience when they come here to see those names, to hold those bats, just to see the history and understand everything. It's really amazing. And see how the bat's made at the end of the day, because this is just a really unique thing. And in Louisville, Kentucky, to have it all here under one roof is just really remarkable.
야구를 이해하기 위해서는 미국을 이해해야 합니다. 그 어떤 스포츠도 야구만큼 미국인들을 단합시키지 못하죠. 그리고 이 박물관은 그 문화의 역사를 그대로 보여주고 있습니다. 자, 이렇게 야구 배트에 대해 많이도 배워보고요. 이렇게 귀여운 미니 배트도 가지고 가네요. 저는 야구 경기를 보러 가면 야구 방망이 대신 핫도그를 들고 있습니다. 그리고 이곳에 아주 특별한 핫도그를 만드는 맛집이 있다고 합니다. Hi, I'm good, thank you. What's good here?
Oh, well, my personal favorite is the black and blue. It's really delicious.
What is it?
It's a pretzel bun. There's blue cheese spread on it, a hot dog, smoked bacon, grilled onions, and blackberry jam.
That sounds good. I'll take that one.
Okay, I'll get that for you right away.
Thanks.
Yeah.
핫도그는 만들기 쉽고 가격이 저렴한 음식으로 지난 100년간 야구 게임의 대표적인 간식거리로 사랑받아 왔습니다. 하지만 그 중에서도 레드탑에서 만드는 핫도그는 다른 곳에서 절대로 맛볼 수 없는 무언가가 있죠. 이 잼하고요, 소세지하고 베이컨, 그리고 이 소테이된 양파가 다 같이 이렇게 섞여가지고 메요네즈하고 같이 이렇게 정말 부드러운 맛이 나오네요. 정말 좋아요. 와우, 놀랍게 맛있는데요. 이제 배를 채웠으니 칼로리 소모를 좀 해야겠네요. 운동이라 하면 또 야구죠. 하지만 제 솜씨가 약간 녹슬어서 레전드 스포츠 아카데미에 코칭을 받으러 갔습니다.
How are you?
Nice to meet you. I'm June.
June, Matt Wilson at Legends Baseball Academy. We're the largest indoor facility in Louisville. We have thousands and thousands of baseball players that come in and out of here every year. So we can definitely get you swinging some bats today.
I'm ready.
You ready to go? All
Let's
right,
do it.
let's get started. I'll show you some warm-ups.
Sounds good to me. Let's go.
I grew up playing baseball ever since I was able to walk. I wasn't good enough to play professionally, but the game gives you extra opportunities like coaching to stay in the game and do what you love and then forward it to our younger players. Better. All right. Now do it one more time. Try to get it so your front leg locks out. Bang.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Ooh.
That's where all the power starts to come into.
I don't know if I'm that flexible.
You're fine.
So you say. All right, here we go.
Very good. Good. At Legends Baseball Academy, I'm able to work with these young athletes. Just let that back hip turn and try to stay behind your front leg. There you go. That's it. Myself, I work with hundreds and hundreds of them every year. Yep, that was it. You did it. That was perfect.
All right.
Yeah, good job, man.
Sweet. Thank
All
you.
right. As a whole company, we have thousands of clients that walk through these doors every day, every year, and it just keeps building and building. All right, so now you have all your warm up. Now we're ready to hit. Okay.
All right.
So let's grab a bat and get after it.
진짜 루이빌 슬러거네요. 야구가 한국과 미국 양국에서 유명한 만큼 한국계 미국인인 제가 야구를 잘할 거라고 다들 생각하시겠죠. 하지만 이렇게 쉬운 투구도 맞추기 어렵네요. 모니터를 보시면 제 타구가 얼마나 멀리 날아가는지 볼 수 있습니다. 하지만 일단 먼저 제가 공을 때려야겠죠. 코칭이 조금 더 필요할 것 같네요.
Now, when we were doing the PVC work, what part of the body was I talking about all the time?
The hip.
Right. So I want you to leave your hands here, but I want you to start turning your hip. You feel that?
Yeah, right
That's
here.
that stretch that I want you to feel, and then it bang on it. Okay? So that stretch that you're feeling is torque. Okay? So we're going to do that drill. Okay? You got it?
All right.
All right, let's give it a try. Really good. And it's just because of that simple thing, you were getting these to the stride in your hands to connect together.
Imagine that.
Yeah, great job, man. Good job. Very, very good. Yep. I guess the reason why I love it so much is I grew up poor. And the one way I knew for me to be able to get out of it was play baseball, and baseball was going to be able to help pay for my college tuition. It gave me a chance. Oh. There it went.
There we go.
How'd that feel?
Ooh, that much better.
Yeah.
Much better.
It's pretty fun when it comes off clean,
I'm
isn't
starting
it?
to like this now.
Yeah. We just give a chance. We give them a chance. They have to want it.
Come on. Oh, he's throwing hard ones.
Change your intent. Get mad. Try to hit this ball as hard as you can.
Ah!
There we go. See? Woo! Sometimes you don't have to think. You just do. Good job, man. Attaboy.
Oh, I'm so angry.
Oh.
Thanks, coach. 긴 하루가 끝나고 맛을 음미하며 푹 쉴 수 있는 술 한 잔이 그리워졌습니다. 다행히도 루이빌에는 전 세계적으로 유명한 버번이 있습니다. 자, 이곳은 켄터키주 루이빌에 위치한 버번 트레일입니다. 오늘은 에번 윌리엄스 버번 익스피리언스 투어를 하며 미국의 대표적인 술 버번에 대해 배워보겠습니다. 자, 가볼까요? Hey, how are you? I'm June.
I'm doing good. I'm Andy. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Welcome to the Evan Williams Bourbon Experience.
All right.
Well, follow me. Let's get started.
Sounds good.
Welcome to the Evan Williams Bourbon Experience. And today I am going to take you on a tour of all of the sights that we have to see here.
1783년도에 에번 윌리엄스라는 사람이 켄터키주의 첫 번째 상업용 증류소를 세웠습니다. 증류소의 이름은 오늘날 그의 이름을 따서 에반 윌리엄스 버번 증류소가 되었죠. 초창기의 증류 방법은 매우 간단했고 모두 손으로 직접 만들었습니다. 당시에는 지금과 같은 장비나 기술이 없었죠. 하지만 윌리엄스에게는 열정이 있었습니다. 그리고 그 열정의 산물을 오늘날까지도 즐길 수 있게 되었죠.
So what you are actually seeing now is pretty much every step of the distillation process up close and personal.
Jeez, look at all these pipes.
Each one of these tanks holds 750 gallons worth of mash.
Whoa.
Very important part of the process because this is actually where we add the yeast. The yeast sort of creates a little magic because the yeast is what eats the sugar molecules, the byproduct being alcohol.
앤디 씨가 증류기에서 직접 퍼낸 샘플을 주면서 이렇게 경고하더라고요. 이 버번의 맛은 심약한 사람들을 위한 것이 아니라고요. 오! Whoa!
This is what you do.
How do you not flinch at that? That's amazing.
Being a professional.
I guess so. Wow.
So I always say that the science in whiskey making happens in the distillery, but the magic happens in the barrel.
That's a good one. 이 투어에서 체험할 수 있는 것 중 하나는 미국의 금주령이 내려졌을 당시의 삶을 볼 수 있다는 겁니다. 그 당시에는 위스키 한 병조차도 꽁꽁 숨겨야만 했죠.
Do you know where it is?
I don't.
It's right in front of you.
Yeah, right here.
No. Open up this lid here.
Oh,
There's whiskey everywhere here.
okay. I need this table in my house, like today.
It's a must for every home, I know. So what we are going to try today is the Evan Williams Signature Black Label. So we call this our great everyday bourbon.
Oh, okay.
Do you know why?
Why?
You should be drinking it every day. So the best way to taste this is to do what we call the Kentucky Chew. So what you actually want to do is take a sip of this, let it roll across your taste buds, let it hit each and every taste bud on your tongue first, then you swallow it. So that's where the chew comes into play. That way you'll get the nice full body flavor first, then you'll get the finish. So you're getting some of that honey, that vanilla, maybe a little butterscotch on your tongue.
Butterscotch, yeah.
That kind of sits right in the middle.
That's wonderful.
So you did the Kentucky Chew, that warming feeling you get. A little known fact about Kentucky is we actually don't own blankets here.
Oh.
Yeah, we actually just take this to bed with us, put it on our nightstand. So if we wake up with a chill, we're ready to go.
농담은 이쯤 해두고 미국에서 술은 파란만장한 역사를 갖고 있습니다. 미국은 1920년부터 1933년까지 금주령을 실시했습니다. 당시 경찰은 술을 제조하거나 판매하는 사람들을 모조리 체포하고 보란듯이 좋은 술을 길거리에 모두 내다버렸습니다.
So while it was illegal to sell or purchase alcohol, it was not illegal to drink it.
Oh, okay.
Do you know where you'd go to maybe consume a beverage?
Living room?
Speakeasy.
Ah, okay.
There's one right behind the safe door.
No way.
Now here's the trick. I can get you inside, but you have to know the password.
Oh gosh. Okay, what's the password?
I'm a friend of Evan's.
I'm a friend of Evan's. Okay, I remember that.
All right, all you have to do is pull open the safe door and then give it a knock or two.
Okay,
All right, step right up.
here we go.
What's the word?
Evan's a friend of mine. 이런. 암호가 틀렸나요?
Welcome to the Speakeasy. Come right in.
Wow. Whoa, look at this place.
Welcome to the Evan Williams Speakeasy. More importantly, take a seat right there in front of some bourbon.
Thank you. Wow.
So this is actually the Evan Williams 12-year-old red label. So the first time that we're going to taste this, it's going to land on the back part of your tongue. You're going to get all the spiciness and the baking spices, none of the sweetness. Sits right on the back of your tongue.
Starts right from the back. Yeah.
And then same mash bill as the other bourbons, but very quick finish, but very smooth.
That is amazing. Oh, wow. 저는 버번을 예전부터 좋아해왔지만 제조 방법과 역사를 알고 난 뒤부터는 버번에 대한 관심이 더욱 깊어졌습니다. 아주 유능한 투어 가이드가 있었기 때문이죠.
Well, thank you for joining me for a tour today, June.
Thank you very much for having me.
All right.
It was great. Bye.
Y'all come back now.
저는 켄터키주 루이빌에서 루이빌 슬러거가 어떻게 야구 방망이와 함께 매일같이 새로운 역사를 만들어가는지 살펴보았습니다. 레드탑에서는 미국의 대표적인 음식인 핫도그를 먹어보고 레전드 스포츠 아카데미에서 야구 코칭도 받았습니다. 그리고 그곳에서 배운 요령을 직접 실행에 옮겨보았죠. 끝으로 에반 윌리엄스 버번 익스피리언스에서 버번에 대해 배우면서 유명 브랜드에 숨은 수많은 공신들의 열정을 느낄 수 있었습니다. 루이빌은 홈런과 같은 도시라고도 하죠. 저도 그렇게 생각합니다. 다음 목적지도 이번만큼 재밌을까요? 자, 함께 가보시죠.